As the saying goes, you are what you eat, and recent reports have sounded our concern against the potential effects on the human endocrine system of consuming pesticides in our foods. Dr. Sophie Chan is a practicing endocrinologist with over 12 years' experience in the field. She believes the issue is serious enough to warrant concern due to the wide range of processes that endocrine disruption can affect.
No endocrine system in the body is immune to the effects of endocrine disruptors.
The endocrine system is the network of glands responsible for managing hormones in the body. Disruption to this system can result in a number of severe developmental issues.
Endocrine disruptor virtually acts like one of our hormones. It kind of is like a disguised baddie in a way, and our body sees it as a hormone. And it disrupts the whole hormonal well-being of our system.
In late 2010, Friends of the Earth found that of 125 types of pesticides detected on Australian fruit and vegetables, 45% are suspected endocrine disruptors. More recently, researchers from the US linked exposure to commonly used pesticides during pregnancy to endocrine issues such as lowered IQ and slower brain development in children. The findings are increasing the calls from organic bodies for organic foods to be considered as a healthy alternative. Unlike conventionally grown fruit and vegetables, the crops here at Champion's Mountain Organics are completely chemical-free. Michael Champion believes there are health benefits associated with eating chemical-free food.
I suppose it's the difference between free-ranging chickens and the non-free-ranging chickens. My plants are free-ranging. They can draw from the soil all the things they need.
Champion believes that many people don't trust the testing process for new pesticides and therefore hold reservations as to their possible health effects.
What people are talking about now is the chemical cocktail of basically little bits of pesticide on all the things.
However, not all experts are convinced we are in immediate danger from the pesticides in our produce. There are strict regulations and guidelines regarding the use of pesticides in Australia, and many believe these are stringent enough to ensure our health is not compromised.
For all conventional pesticides and for any new ones that are registered, they all have to be subjected to toxicity tests, environmental tests. They also have to be subjected to a whole lot of other tests.
Professor Kennedy acknowledges that surveillance is essential to ensuring the public is not negatively affected by pesticides. He and his research team have been developing quick test devices, which can identify if a dangerous compound is in a sample almost instantly.
There are plenty of hazards out there. We have to manage them.
The question of whether pesticides amount to an immediate threat remains, but those advocating organic foods believe making the change can only bring benefits.
They're going to be consuming less preservatives, less salt, less sugar, less trans fat. They're also going to be consuming less endocrine disruptors.
Price and availability remain issues with organic food, but if the word of consumers is anything to go by, there are other positives to eating organically.
If there's a way to eat healthily, it absolutely helps your body stay strong.
More same thing, just natural, straight from the earth.
Just an extra 5% better quality across the board, and yeah, you can taste it.
Liam Taylor, UTS News.